Assalamu alaikum, my dear amazing friend. Welcome back to Irin Academy. I am Irin Sultana Samia. Let's begin. And I am very happy to see you here again. I hope all of you are doing great. And thank you, my friend, for being with me this wonderful journey. Beautiful friend, have you ever felt no matter how hard you try, you are always busy and never truly productive? Days pass, tasks get done, but deep inside, you feel something is missing. Why do some people achieve so much and while others keep struggling with time, focus, and discipline? And here is the truth. It is not about working harder. It is about living differently. Today, I'm going to share with you 7 habits that can completely transform your time, your productivity, and your life. And if you want to become the best version of yourself, then this is exactly why you should subscribe to Irin Academy, because here we grow together with care. These ideas comes from the most powerful books ever written, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen Covey. This is not just a book about success. It is a book about becoming the kind of person who naturally attract success. Now let's jump into the 7 habits. Number 1, be proactive. Most people say, I don't have time. My situation is difficult. I can't change anything. But effective people think differently. They say, I choose my response. Being proactive means you stop blaming your situation and start taking responsibilities. Think about Oprah Winfrey. She was born in poverty, faced hardship, but she chose to rise. She didn't wait for a perfect moment. She created it. Beautiful friend, remember, your time will improve when your mindset will improve. Habit number 2, always start with the end in mind. Imagine you are climbing a ladder, working hard every day. One day you realize your ladder is leaning against the wrong wall. It happens when you live without clarity. Effective people always ask, where am I going? What is my goal? What kind of life do I want? Because without clarity, even hard work becomes wasted effort. Time management improved with clarity. Time management starts with vision. Habit number 3, put first thing first. This is the heart of productivity. Not everything is important. Not everything urgent is meaningful. Focus on what is important, not urgent, like learning, planning, building habits, taking care of health. Most people ignore this until it becomes urgent. Remember, your future depends on what you are doing today quietly. Habit number 4, think win-win. Most people think life is a competition. If you win, I lose. But effective people think differently. They think we both can win. And this mindset creates relationships and opportunities, because success is not built alone. Remember, beautiful soul, when you are helping to grow others, you are growing faster. Habit number 5, seek first to understand. Most people listen just to reply, but effective people listen to truly understand. Beautiful soul, think about your family, your children, your relationships. When you listen deeply, you build connections. And good communication saves time because it prevents misunderstanding. Habit number 6, synergize. One stick can break easily, but a bundle of sticks is strong. This is synergy. When many people work together, they can create bigger than themselves. You don't need to do everything alone. Collaboration saves time and multiplies results. Habit number 7, the last but not the least, sharpen the saw. Imagine, my friend, when you are cutting a tree with a sharp saw, it will cut in once. But when you are trying to cut it with a blunt saw, you are working hard, but results don't improve. It happens when you don't take care of yourself. But effective people renewing themselves by doing the following things. Number one, they're taking care of their health by doing exercise regularly and eating healthy foods. And they're taking care of their minds by reading good books and listening good words every day, like motivational content, and by reading different books on self-development. And they taking care of their relationships, they're saving their heart. And by keeping a good and high purpose, they are saving their spirit. Remember, beautiful soul, you have to rest within your work. Rest is not a waste of time, it is an investment. Beautiful soul, as we have discussed, 7 habits, but you don't need to change everything overnight. It's not possible. You just need to take one small steps, one right decision, one focused action. Because your life doesn't change in one day, but your direction can. Beautiful soul, if you want to manage your time better, become more productive, and build a life you are proud of, then stay connected with Irin Academy. Because here you are not alone. We are becoming our best version together with care. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because someone out of there this message today. So be brave and keep moving forward. See you in the next episode. Until then, take care of your mind and body. Assalamu alaikum.